In recent years, global military competition has entered a new era marked by the development of stealth technology, artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and networked warfare. Amidst these changes, the United States introduced the B-21 Raider, a next-generation strategic bomber designed to meet future challenges. This aircraft is not simply a replacement for legacy bombers like the B-1B Lancer and B-2 Spirit, but rather a new foundation for America's long-range strike force for decades to come. The B-21 Raider was developed to operate in a far more complex combat environment than in previous eras. Threats such as modern radars, layered air defense systems, long-range missiles, and multi-spectrum detection technology make it increasingly difficult for older aircraft to penetrate enemy territory. Therefore, the B-21 was designed from the outset as a survivable platform that remains effective against even the most advanced air defense systems. This program also forms a crucial part of the modernization of the United States strategic forces. In addition to carrying out conventional missions, the B-21 will be a key element of the country's nuclear deterrent capability. In other words, the Raider is not only prepared for regional conflicts but also as a strategic instrument that impacts the global balance of power. One of the most intriguing aspects of the B-21 Raider is its stealth technology, which is said to be more advanced than the B-2 Spirit bomber. While its external design retains the distinctive flying wing concept, various analysts believe the biggest changes lie in the materials, internal structure, and radar signature reduction methods used. This aircraft is designed to have a very low level of visibility to modern radars. This includes not only high-frequency radars but also various advanced detection systems currently being developed by several major nations. In addition to its minimal radar signature, the B-21 is also reported to have improved heat emission and electronic signal management, making it increasingly difficult for enemy sensors to detect. This capability provides a significant strategic advantage. In modern warfare scenarios, the aircraft can approach high-value targets undetected, carry out strike missions, and then return to base before the enemy has time to react effectively. This is why many observers call the B-21 one of the most important air assets the United States currently possesses. This stealth advantage is also combined with a variety of modern sensors that allow the crew to obtain real-time situational information. With a combination of stealth and advanced sensors, the B-21 is not only capable of attacking, but also gathering invaluable intelligence during operations. The year 2026 was a crucial year for the B-21 Raider program. Various reports indicated that the testing process was progressing faster than initially anticipated. The development team successfully completed several flight test phases with high efficiency, accelerating the process toward operational readiness. One significant achievement was the successful completion of the mid-air refueling test. This capability is crucial because it allows the B-21 to carry out extremely long transcontinental missions. In practice, the aircraft could fly thousands of kilometers, receive fuel from a tanker aircraft, and then continue the mission without needing to land. In addition to progress in testing, the United States government also increased the aircraft's production capacity. This step demonstrated a high level of confidence in the program's success. Various production facilities were expanded to ensure that the aircraft could be delivered to the Air Force on schedule. This accelerated production was inextricably linked to the growing need for a modern bomber fleet. As the military capabilities of competing nations continued to develop, the United States sought to ensure its technological advantage was maintained by deploying sufficient numbers of B-21s. Many defense analysts believe the B-21 Raider has the potential to be a game-changer in 21st-century air warfare. This is not only due to its large weapons carrying capacity or more advanced stealth technology, but also due to its significantly more modern operational concept. The B-21 is built using an open digital architecture that allows for faster software upgrades and the integration of new technologies. This approach allows the aircraft to be continuously updated throughout its operational life without requiring major changes to the core structure. This makes the Raider more adaptable to future threat developments. Furthermore, the B-21 is designed to be part of an integrated combat network. It can serve as an information link between various military platforms, from satellites and fighter jets to drones and command centers. In modern warfare, the ability to share data quickly is often as important as the ability to fire weapons. Ultimately, the B-21 Raider is more than just a new stealth bomber. It symbolizes the transformation of how modern warfare is conducted. With its combination of next-generation stealth technology, advanced sensors, global operational capabilities, and integrated digital combat networks, the B-21 has the potential to be one of the most influential military aircraft in the coming decades. If all its development targets are achieved, the Raider could set a new standard for future strategic bombers and strengthen the United States' position in the global air power competition. In the future, the B-21 Raider is expected to form the backbone of the United States Strategic Bomber Force. With advanced stealth capabilities, digital technology integration, and the flexibility to continuously upgrade, this aircraft is designed to remain relevant in the face of evolving threats. If the program proceeds as planned, the B-21 has the potential to become the new standard for modern bombers and play a crucial role in maintaining the global balance of military power for decades to come.